In this module, we are going to learn about the Mesopotamian civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization flourished in the area that lies in a valley between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in modern Iraq. In Greek, Mesopotamia means the land between the rivers. This region was ruled by Sumerians, Babylonians, Hittites, Assyrians, and Neo Babylonians. Now let us study the political history of Mesopotamian civilization. Sumerians were responsible for one of the first civilizations in this region. Ur, Krish and Lachish were the important city-states that flourished here. Sumerians used uniform system of writing on wet clay slates. Mesopotamians were in contact with Indians. The Akkadians ruled after Sumerians. They brought the Akkadian state under their control and established a large state. Now let us see who is Hammurabi. He is the most famous king among Babylonians. He was famous for his code of laws. His code of laws is based on the ideas like an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Ashurbanipal. Assyrians defeated Hittites and ruled Mesopotamia. Ashurbanipal was the last greatest king among the Assyrians. He was a brave warrior and also a poet. Nebuchadnezzar. After Assyrians, another Semitic tribe, the Chaldeans, re-established Babylonia. Nebuchadnezzar was the greatest king among them. He created Hanging Gardens, which was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Finally, about 2500 years ago, Emperor Cyrus conquered the city of Babylonia, which resulted in the downfall of Mesopotamia. Now, let us study the contributions of Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamians were the first to adopt the code of laws in the world. They had prohibited abuse of slaves in his code of law. Mesopotamians had established trade relationships with Harappa and Egyptian civilizations. Each city had a guardian deity, as in Egypt. High-rise temples named ziggurat were built here. That's all for today. Thank you.